Hey, what's going on? It's Ty from Emerged Media. So I have a question for you. Do you know if your Google Analytics data is accurate? Have you manually excluded the IP address of your home, office, mobile phone? Have you excluded the IP address of your web designer, your programmer, your SEO company? If not, then your Google Analytics data is inaccurate. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to exclude your IP address. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go here. You want to go to google.com/analytics. Okay, and then you want to sign in. So now you're in the Google Analytics dashboard, and you want to go to admin. You want to make sure that this right here is the site that you actually want to add the filter to. So go down here to filters, and you can see I've already excluded the IP address of my office. I'm going to remove this and start it. I'm going to show you how I did it. So start all over again. So just go to add filter, create new filter. You want to give your filter a name. Make it descriptive so that other people that come to your analytics, if they see it, they would know what you're talking about. So, for example, you can say something like Ty's office IP address exclusion. Okay? You want to go here and click on predefined, and go down here and click exclude. Traffic from IP addresses that contain. And then you want to put your IP address here. So how do you find your IP address? Well, it's very simple. Just go to Google and type in what is my IP. And there it is. So you take that, copy it, paste it here, and that's it. Save. So you want to do this for your mobile phone, the IP of anyone else that's working on your website, your graphic designer, your programmer. Because if you don't do this, then your data is completely inaccurate. Excuse me. And, there's no real point in having Google Analytics. Because the data is inaccurate. So, since we're here in the filters view, I want to show you how to create another filter really quickly. And this filter is, what happens sometimes is that other companies, people, they might steal because they like your website, they might steal the code from your website. This has happened to a few people that I know. And basically, whoever steals your code and puts it on their domain, sometimes they're too lazy to take out your Google Analytics code. So basically, in Google Analytics, you're now seeing the traffic from that other website that has your Google Analytics code. So what you need to do is you need to add another filter. And this filter will basically make it so that your Google Analytics reports only include the traffic from your domain and no other domain. If you are doing cross-domain tracking, like you have multiple websites and they all share the same Google Analytics code, do not do this filter I'm about to show you. If you don't have multiple websites or don't do domain or cross-domain tracking, then you can go ahead and do this. So you want to give it a name. So for example, filter to include only host name traffic. So make sure you create the filter here, give it a name, predefined, include only traffic to host name, and then that contains, and then you want to put your domain name here. You see in the example here it says example.com. You don't want to put the www dot or the http. All you have to do is just put in, like for example, for eMerge Media, I'll put this. Save. Alright, so after implementing these two exclusions, or not exclusions, sorry, these two filters, your Google Analytics data will be much more accurate. Hope that helps. Have a good day.